Thank you for tuning into your daily Wallops weather briefing for Monday, October 26th. Once again, we're seeing low clouds out there this morning, which has been a recurring theme over the past week or so. We're going to continue to see these low clouds over the next couple of days, and then seeing some substantial rain return to the forecast as we go towards the end of the work week. Taking a look at our surface analysis across the region, still have some weak high pressure and control off the mid-Atlantic, but quite a bit of low level moisture this morning and not a lot of mixing in the atmosphere, and that's allowing some widespread low clouds across pretty much the entire mid Atlantic. And these low clouds will persist throughout much of the day, maybe seeing a little bit of sunshine early this afternoon, and then seeing low clouds and patchy fog return as we go into tonight. Taking a look at our satellite across the region, you see these abundant low clouds stretching across the entire eastern mid-Atlantic. Starting to see maybe a little bit of sunshine peek through across portions of the Maryland eastern shore. So we will be seeing just a chance of some brief peaks of sunshine over at Wallops as we go towards the late morning hours into the early afternoon. And then we'll be seeing an increase of clouds once again as we go into tonight. Taking a brief look at our upper level winds this morning, seeing those winds fairly light from the north at the surface, and then just above the surface, they're northeasterly, only around 5 to 10 knots through 6,000 feet. Winds then shifting southwesterly at 10 knots to 9,000 feet, then westerly throughout the remainder of the column, increasing from 15 knots to 12,000 feet up to near 30 to 35 knots at the 25,000 foot level. Seeing our freezing level this morning just above 13,000 feet. For today, going to be looking at a high of 71, maybe seeing a degree or two more if we can get a little bit more sunshine than anticipated. We are going to be seeing those clouds, though, throughout much of the day today, with low clouds and patchy fog redeveloping tonight and expecting a low of around 56 degrees for tomorrow morning. Perhaps a little bit higher than that if that patchy fog is a little bit denser than anticipated. Taking a look at our winds, going to be seeing those winds running northerly around 5 to 10 knots or so this morning, and then slowly weakening throughout the afternoon, becoming light and variable by the mid to late afternoon hours. Then overnight, seeing those winds only 3 to 8 knots from the northwest. Taking a look at our terminal forecast, currently seeing broken cloud deck at 500 feet, broken at 1,500, overcast at 5,000. We'll see that visibility becomes somewhat restricted as we go throughout the rest of the morning hours, becoming 6 to 8 miles at times, and then this afternoon, possibly seeing some sunshine peeking through. Those low clouds will become scattered to broken between 500 to 1,000 feet. And then as we go towards late afternoon hours, seeing those skies become overcast again around 1,500 feet or so. And then tonight, seeing that patchy fog develop, especially after 8 p.m. and throughout much of the overnight hours. We are currently seeing tides 1/2 to 1 foot above normal across the Delmarva Atlantic coast. Taking a look at our long-range weather model here, we're going to be seeing that high pressure and control throughout the day today, and still seeing some generally light flow as we go into tomorrow as well, which is going to help to reinforce those stagnant conditions, preventing any mixing from the atmosphere, helping those low clouds and fog persist once again as we go throughout much of our Tuesday. As we go into Tuesday night, we're going to get this weak impulse off to the north, help to bring some upper level energy across the area for Tuesday night, and that could give us a chance of some isolated shower activity, mainly across the central and northern portion of the Delmarva, but can't rule out a shower or two across the Wallops region as well. That energy looks to dissipate for Wednesday as we have another weak area of high pressure briefly build, which will help to reduce those chances of showers, but going to continue to see cloudy skies throughout the day, maybe some patchy low clouds once again. So we're going to be in this stagnant pattern with these persistent low clouds. And as we go into Thursday, we're going to be seeing a tropical storm or perhaps hurricane move on shore down along the Gulf Coast. Looks to be pretty close to impacting New Orleans at this time. It will then move off toward the northwest, losing its tropical characteristics and transitioning to an extratropical cyclone as we go throughout the day Thursday. And then ahead of that, we'll see some moisture and upper level energy give us some scattered showers starting Thursday morning and pretty much persisting throughout the day Thursday as we get this moisture and energy overspreading the mid-Atlantic region. That's going to give us periods of rain throughout the day Thursday, maybe even a very slight chance of a thunderstorm But that looks unlikely this time. Mainly just going to be seeing some rain throughout the day. And then depending on the exact track of this moisture and the upper level dynamics, could be seeing periods of heavy rain throughout the day Thursday as well. Rain will persist as we go into Thursday night, and that's when we're going to have the that actual low pass over the mid Atlantic. That's going to be our best chance to see some heavier rain showers. So it's going to be rainy Thursday, and then continuing to be rainy with brief heavy rain for Thursday night, and that will persist into Friday as well. As this slow moving system becomes a little more complex, we'll see a additional area of additional low develop off the coast. That'll help to reinforce the rain, also giving us some breezy conditions throughout the day Friday. So 48 hours of Thursday and Friday is looking like some pretty poor conditions with persistent rain. And then Friday we'll get that wind cranked up as well with some northeasterly winds helping make it a little bit miserable out there. And then behind that, we're going to be seeing a shot of cold air come in for Saturday morning. That'll plummet those temperatures, giving us a really chilly day on Saturday. And then as we go into Sunday, we'll see things become totally seasonable as high pressure takes control across the eastern U.S. So taking a look at our 7-day forecast, 10% chance of a sprinkle today, high of 71, but otherwise just seeing those cloudy conditions. Tonight, a low of 57. Tomorrow, we'll see a high of 69, and then chance of some isolated to widely scattered showers Tuesday night into Wednesday. Cloudy conditions persist through Wednesday, still looking at a high only around 68. And then as we go into Thursday, we'll see temperatures bumped up just a little bit into the low to perhaps mid 70s. That high temperature on Thursday looks to happen late in the afternoon or perhaps into the evening hours. But it does look like we'll see rain throughout the day on Thursday. And then Thursday night into Friday, we'll continue to see rain, seeing that heavy rain possible late Thursday night. Showers persisting Friday throughout much of the day, and then looks like we're gonna see our high temperature Friday occur in the morning. So high of 60 or 61 early, and the temperatures will be falling throughout the day. And then Saturday, you see that cold air will quickly move in, dropping that low all the way down to 40 degrees Saturday morning, high only into the low to mid 50s for Saturday, under partly to mostly cloudy skies. And then Sunday, we're going to be seeing seasonable conditions temperature wise. We'll see an early low Saturday night, temperatures rising throughout the night, and then possibly seeing an additional front develop across the area, giving us some scattered showers late. But the forecast does become a little bit divergent and at that for Sunday, as we do have other models showing that those dry conditions persisting through Sunday night. That will do it for your daily weather briefing. Have a great day.